Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. Now let's have a look at Playback Design, the sound coming from them. Pretty good, pretty good. Shows a lot of promise, a lot of intensity, resolution, and pretty good depth. Sounds pretty awesome with Rockport speakers. It kind of hits that group of brands, M Labs, Class A, Audioflight, Minor, DCS. They're very similar, all of them, and also price wise, they're also pretty similar. Um, Close to being really good, just not having that last bit of rare stuff. I'm talking about naturality, integration, everything being coherent and consistent. It does have a lot of wow effect more than M Labs for me. I feel that a lot of potential, a lot of really cool, intense, high resolution stuff. A bit on the mechanical side can be perhaps a bit difficult finding the right pairing of gear to go with it. Um, Overall, just really impressive, cool. I would say probably the best of all of these brands when I think about it. Audioflight getting pretty close to that, and M Labs just yeah also pretty close. Interesting, very very interesting. I would just say that price price wise, I just feel it a bit silly, like all of these other brands. It does have that exclusive transistor wow effect type of sound, but price, I just can't take it into consideration with the price. It's just silly, silly, silly. But yeah, overall, really interesting, cool gear, and that's all I have to say about that brand. And yeah, remember to like and subscribe.